So, how to do pressure grouting for the ceiling? So, how it is necessary to do the pressure grouting for the ceiling? Just consider after casting the slab, after some days, it shows some hairline cracks up. Suppose if we not arrest that crack properly, it will show the leakage or dampness in the future. You can find the leakage or dampness by doing the water pond test on the terrace slab or the normal slab. Once if we do properly the pressure grouting for the ceiling slab, it will not show the leakage or dampness in the future. So what exactly the steps have to follow for arresting the leakage or dampness? Today I will discuss. So these are the 5 steps to follow for arresting the leakage or dampness. In this step, you need to clean the roof slab and make the water pond test and find out the cracks or dampnesses in the ceiling slab. So once you're making the water pond test, you will come to know dampness or leakages. After that, mark the slab wherever the dampnesses are shown. Second one, drilling the injection holes. Making the injection holes in ceiling slab. At the angle of 45 degree, the depth of the hole should not be go beyond 2/3 of the slab thickness. Third one is installing the packers. So after making the holes in the slab, you need to fix the nozzles in the slab by using the run-off plug, which is for setting cement. Next process, high pressure injection. Next you have to do the pressure routing for the into the drilled holes at the rate of 2 to 5 kg per centimeter square. Last process, curing and finishing. You can make it curing and do the finishing as per your required level of the slab. You can make the pressure routing on slab also, following the same procedure. That's called the positive routing. Making pressure routing on the slab, following the same process as I explained earlier. First, you have to make the water cone test. After that, you will come to know that leakages, dampness. So, after that, doing make the mark and go for the drilling. Go for drilling the holes. So, after drilling the holes, you need to fix the nozzle in the drilled holes. After drilling the holes, we need to fix the nozzles into the drilled holes. After that, mix the grouting material using the phosphorus 600 for 1 bag cement. Phosphorus 600 is 225 gram and cement is 50 kg. Use water around 20 to 22 liter. So after preparing the mix, go for the grouting at the rate of 2 to 5 kg per centimeter square. So, so once the grouting is completed for particular hole, close it by tying the binding wire for the particular hole. Just like you are seeing here. Close it by tying the binding wire. Then go for another hole. Do the same process for the entire drilled holes. Why we use Cibex 100 from the pasta company? Because Cibex 100 is a expanding growth admixture. You can use another companies also, but it should be expanding growth admixture because cement have a property of shrinking. So to avoid that, we will use the expanding growth admixture. Already they have mentioned in the specifications. Just here, applications include bed grouting, duct grouting, and also non-shrink infilling and jointing. So they have also mentioned curing. So after doing the grouting, go for the curing. Do mixing for 5 minutes continuously before using it. So Civic 100 is supplied in 225-gram packs. So how to use it properly? You can use it for 50 kg bag cement, 225-gram pack, and water is around 20 to 22 liters. It will yield the 36 liters of volume. So this is the regarding product information.